The Dual Dash Cam D32H offers exceptional video quality with its 2.5K front camera and 1080p rear camera, ensuring clear footage of your journeys both day and night. With its built-in Wi-Fi and app control, you can easily connect the dash camera to your smartphone, allowing you to view, manage, and share your recorded videos seamlessly. The dash cam's advanced night vision capabilities, thanks to its high-resolution CMOS sensor and large aperture, provide clear recordings even in low-light conditions. Setting up the dash cam is straightforward with its intuitive interface and included suction cups, making it an ideal choice for various vehicles without obstructing your view. The dash cam's reliable accident recording features, including loop recording and G-sensor technology, ensure that important footage is safely stored and not overwritten. Equipped with a reverse camera and a Type-C charger port, the dash cam not only aids in safe reversing, but also offers stable performance with reduced risks of reboots and crashes.